This looks like watercolor, but it's actually markers. I'm going to show you how to create your own design using 5 simple steps. Step 1, quick sketch. Start with a quick sketch of your landscape. It should only take a minute or two. Remember, every landscape has 3 parts: foreground, middle ground, and background. Keep your sketch very simple, 5 lines or shapes or less. Big shapes only, no tiny details. Step 2 is a thumbnail test. Next, make a thumbnail. A small practice drawing. Divide your paper in half and redraw your sketch on each side. This lets you see what works before making a bigger painting. Step 3, test your markers and choose your color. So now we're going to be testing our markers. You can choose 1 color per side, monochromatic, or choose 2 colors that are close together, called analogous colors. Avoid complementary colors here, like blue and orange, because this technique can make the colors bleed into each other and muddy your design. Also think about value. Darker colors in the foreground, lighter colors in the background. Don't color it solid. Use just a few lines because water will spread and blend the marker. Step 4 is add water carefully. Take a paintbrush and add just a little water. Go slowly. If you use too much, the marker can bleed all over your design. Use even less water than you think. Once your paper is wet, you cannot go over it again with the markers. It's better to wait for it to dry a little and then repeat the process. Step 5, this is the last step. It is the final artwork. Once you've tested your colors, recreate the design larger. Just like traditional watercolors, start with the background and work your way forward. Lighter first, darker last. Remember, less is more. A few lines, 1 color, and water can create a beautiful watercolor effect.